That's to control the speed. So what you gotta do is just turn it on, and then Daddy gonna control it, okay? So once you press the button, you gotta give it to Daddy.
Whoa! Go, Cailee! You did it! You did it, Cailee!
Cailee, come back!
Let's go on the land, Cailee. Kaylee's the new drone. Yay! You like it, Cailee?
Yeah. I wanna do
Put it down.
What are you doing? You don't run in the street like that.
Teaching Cailee about electronics. You like this, Cailee?
Here. You're just gonna start it and then give it to Daddy, okay?
Go ahead, Cailee. Do it.
You can't stand by it. Cailee,
Give it to Daddy. Good job, Cailee. She loves it, babe. You want to do it again? She wants to do it by herself. Let's see if she can do it. Right there, Cailee. That's a good spot. Okay. All right, here. Take it.
Here, press this and then give it to Daddy.
Let me see you do it. One. Watch out.
Okay, now give it to Daddy.
Good job, Cailee. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna get all the leaves. Oh, man.
All right, that's enough. Come on. Because now you gotta, I know it's cheap, but you gotta.
Come on, Cailee.
Where's it going? Daddy, you turn.
Hold on. Watch out, Cailee. Watch out. Watch out.
Kaylee's drone.
No!
Watch out.
We're gonna get it and bite it. No!
So that's that motion. That's left. That's right.